In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix IndusInd mobile banking app not working. So if this application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, try using the application and your problem should be solved. But if your application is still not working, developer mode might be enabled on your device. If the developer mode is enabled, your application will not work. So in order to disable it, what you have to do is simply open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. What you have to do is find the option for system and tap on it. Now if developer mode is enabled, you'll be able to find the option for developer mode over here. Tap on it and disable the developer mode. Your device needs to be restarted in order to disable it. After you do that, the developer mode will be disabled. Right now, developer mode is not enabled in mine. Now, after disabling the developer mode, try using the application and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to use the application, try updating it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for IndusInd. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application IndusInd Bank and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now all the bugs must be fixed and your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for IndusInd and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your application should start working. If it still does not work, what you can do is simply uninstall the application and install it again. After you do that, IndusInd app will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart the device. Long press on the power button. After you do that, tap on the restart option that you can see on the screen. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem should be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix IndusInd app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.